Hello, hello.
Hi.
Chan, say hello. Hi, Kisumasi. Hey,
Hi.
guys. First of all, welcome to our channel, Cross Country Cousins. That's my little one, cousin Krishna from Atlanta. प्यार से हम इसे कीसू बोलते हैं घर में.
Hi,
So,
everyone. This is my big sister Palak, and she is dialing in from Kuwait.
how was your day? So, करे थे आज?
This morning, I woke up and I was determined to get my steps in. So I climbed a mountain called Stone Mountain here in Atlanta.
पहाड़ चढ़ रही है तू कीसू वाह वाह
वो भी अकेले. So I feel a little accomplished.
Beautiful. You know what I
How
did?
about you? Yeah.
I cleaned my fridge. A lot of things like were rotten.
I can relate. You know why? Because I have to clean my fridge today and I'm already a little so exhausted that I'm feeling a little lazy. So I'll push that to tomorrow.
Okay.
But my fridge is rotten too. I have to go grocery shopping. Bad.
I'm
I
gonna go
need.
grocery shopping tomorrow because literally ना घर में गाजर है ना ककड़ी है. I don't know what I'm gonna have for breakfast tomorrow. Dude, बचपन में तो क्या खाकरा एंड चाय खाते थे अपन बा के साथ.
Yes, favorite. Oh my goodness. Papa was here from Ahmedabad. He was visiting. So he got khakra and I had khakra and cha. And
Every
वो
day.
सुकून ही अलग. वो सुकून that is different. No oatmeal, no chia pudding, no
Think that
scrambled eggs and toast does it.
खाकरों ने चा.
Yes. We
Dude,
crush the khakra, put it in the tea and scoop it up with the
I think
spoon.
all of us have it like that. All of us, all of the cousins. I don't know if other Gujaratis also do this. Do they like they put
Good question to put it out there, no?
henna? Okay,
Huh.
so guys, please let us know if you're a Guju or even if you're not a Guju. Do you have khakro and chai? And especially like khakro, do you put it like bhukko curry in your cha? कल definitely जाना है यार grocery लेने के लिए because घर में literally कुछ नहीं है. So
How about we do this?
हाँ,
Hmm.
Sue.
आप करो ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग, मैं जा रही ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग. देखते हैं कि हम दोनों कल ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग के बाद क्या बनाते हैं. इज इट समथिंग क्लोज इन द क्यूजीन टुगेदर और मे बी इट कुड बी समथिंग डिफरेंट. हु नोस.
Okay, you know what? I'll give you this. Grocery shopping करने के बाद मैं थक जाती हूँ तो I don't know if I will cook. But yeah, I think I should, right? I should. अब मैं गई हूँ तो. Good.
आई थिंक इफ
I have your support. I will cook something. I will make sure. I'll be accountable. I think this is
I think it should be because nowadays groceries are so expensive
yeah.
कि मतलब मुझे तो ऐसा ही I cannot wait for the day that I have my own land and I can grow my own vegetables and cook from that. I cannot wait for that day. So now when I go grocery shopping for the week, I'm already spending for myself almost $200. $200.
$200 would be around. That's a lot. 60 KD.
I Bad habit of mine is I don't even look at the promotions that are going
Right.
on.
Try to build this habit if you can slowly to have a look at the promotions. If Krishna,
I'm sure every shop.
it will be insane. You'll be like, dude, so much money you're saving. Go get a facial with that money or just put it in your piggy bank, whatever.
I
Think.
mean,
Send it
every
to
penny
me
saved is
also.
good
I
penny.
mean, you can put like, this is for Palak Didi. You can do that, babe. Really.
Yeah, of course. With all my heart, I would.
I'm like, what, going to be 42 soon. And I started practicing this only just 2 years ago. So if I've learned so late, you can at least start doing it now. You're like, what, 30 now?
I am 30, yes. Not like 30, 30.
Wow, we have like almost 12 years age gap. So बेटा कुछ सीखो हमसे. हमने हमारे बाल
हाँ,
ऐसी धूप में सफेद नहीं किए हैं. ओके कूल ठीक है तो कल ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग जाते हैं देखते हैं किसने क्या ग्रोसरी लाया और क्या पकाया.
yes,
ठीक है
I'm excited.
कूल
All right,
ठीक है
Palaki.
बेबी आई सी यू टुमारो. कल मिलते हैं.
All right, love you. Bye.
बाय गुड नाइट.
It is weird. Just few hours ago, I spoke to Krishna. I slept peacefully. We thought the war is over. In deep sleep, I did not hear any of the sirens that kept going on all night. Nobody has gone to work. This is not normal. Anyway, here I am to fill in my grocery bags. Feels weird, but here I am. Hello. So grocery shopping तो हो गई मेरी. काफ़ी न्यूज़ अपडेट वगैरह ले लिया एंड देन आई डिसाइडेड जो होना होगा सो होगा. Anyway, let me show you. I told you yesterday I cleaned the fridge and now everything is stocked. So yes, all of my veggies are here. Lunch का time हो गया है, so I just finished making palak paneer. We have a bakery right under our building, तो हमें ये ready-made roti मिल जाती है. It's called khubus. So this is what I'm going to have for my lunch. I'm going to put it in the oven now. Ta-da! थोड़ी सी रोटी ज़ैन को भी दे दी and अब मैं मेरा खाना खाऊंगी. Later.
Made it to the grocery store. It's quite busy over here, and I got myself flowers for Women's Day. To all the women's out there, happy Women's Day. I am excited that mango season is coming close. These don't quite look very delicious. I'm still debating what to get. Hello. I got back from the grocery store, got my weekly grocery shopping done. Palak shared she made palak paneer. I wish I could have palak paneer right now. Unfortunately, I'm not feeling so well, so I kind of got takeout food for dinner. So that's what's happening in my world. I didn't have the energy to cook or make something for myself. Yep. That was my day. See ya.